What's up, tartlets? It's Deanna, and yes, it is still currently 97 degrees outside here on the East Coast, and I'm in a flannel. Why? Because I'm about to film a pumpkin spice cupcake recipe. So keep watching. It's vegan, and I think you guys will like it. I have not tried it yet, so let's see how this goes. So we need a cup of pitted dates. I'm just gonna put those right in the blender. Then also a cup of non-dairy milk. I chose to use almond milk. Very steady. So I'm putting a cup of that in the blender as well. And then I'm just adding a half a cup of pumpkin puree. And we're just gonna blend this up first. So the consistency should look a little bit like this. And now we're just gonna add some more ingredients to this and blend it up. Then we're adding 1 1/4 cup of almond flour. I was trying to film and pour this in at the same time. Good, I got a lot of the almond flour on the counter. Great. And then I'm also taking a 1/4 cup of nut butter. I'm using almond butter, but you can use any nut butter that you want, and just adding it to this mixture. I just transferred this to a bowl to make it easier for scooping into my cupcake pan, and this is the consistency that it should be at. Nice and fluffy. Those bake at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, and while we're doing that, we're gonna make some vegan vanilla frosting to put on top of it. The icing is gonna be super simple. You just need coconut milk or almond milk, whatever kind of non-dairy milk you want to use, vegan butter, vanilla, and powdered sugar. These smell really, really delicious, but I feel like the texture is not the texture of a cupcake, so I'm a little concerned. But I'm gonna let these cool, and then I'm gonna put on some of that vanilla frosting. And then if nothing else, I mean, I'm sure the vanilla frosting will make it taste good. That wraps up this pumpkin spice cupcake recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are trying it out. And let me know if you like pumpkin spice and how you feel about it, because I personally don't usually like pumpkin spice anything, but these were pretty good. So let me know what you guys think about pumpkin spice. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye, tartlets.